Daisy. Daisy. Woo, woo. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Say happy Monday. Can you say happy Monday? No. Okay. Happy Monday. Time to make some breakfast and coffee. Okay, guys. Haven't been on here much today, but Daisy and I are about to go over to the gym. So I think I'll try to take the camera over there. She just ate, so she should be in a good mood for at least 30 minutes. We will see. Yeah. But I have a leg day today, and then come back over here and probably try to get some stuff cleaned up. I need to unload the dishwasher, reload it, and switch some laundry out. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, Daisy and I made it to the gym. So I'm gonna get started while she's in a good mood and hopefully get everything in that I want to. So she's on the floor staring at the fans. So let's get to work. Say, go Mom. Okay, we made it 30 minutes, 30-minute workout, and then she started getting a little bit cranky, so we are done now, but I finished my workout, everything on that I wanted to do. Say hi, Daisy May. So, we're gonna head back over to the house and hopefully get some chores done before she needs to take a nap again. She has not been napping good today, so I can tell she's already tired, but we're gonna get back over to the house. It's super cold outside, so I gotta bundle her up and then we'll do some chores. Say good morning. Good morning. Hello, everyone. It is the next day. Yeah. We didn't film much yesterday afternoon after the gym because Daisy was so tired. We got back from the gym and I held her for a little bit and she fell right to sleep. So she took a nap and then Jacob got home. We DoorDash. We watched the IU football game and they won. Woo! Say go who's just? But today Daisy has her 4-month doctor's appointment and she has to get some shots. So we have to do that at 10:10, and yeah, so we have our doctor's checkup, and then we're just gonna come home and chill because she's probably gonna be a little bit cranky, probably a little bit tired. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, and then I have a workout today and a run that I have to do, so we're gonna do all of that. Yeah. Yep. Say yep. But we are just chilling until it's time for us to leave for our appointment. Jacob had a chiropractor appointment this morning, so he went to that, but then he's coming home and we are going to all go to her appointment. So, yeah, that's what's going on today. So, we will see you around, maybe in the car after the doctor. But we're gonna see how much she weighs, see how long she is, and yeah. other stuff that is exciting at the appointments besides the bad stuff, so, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, we are done at the doctor, and we went to Starbucks, and now we're getting gas. We literally had to wait at the doctor for over an hour. Like, our appointment was at 10:10 and it's already 11:43. So Daisy was getting hungry, she was tired of waiting, she was bored. I think babies get bored. And then they finally come in, and it takes like less than 10 minutes for everything, and she was hungry, so that didn't help when she got her shots. But we made it through. I fed her before we left the room. I was like, we've already been in this room for over an hour. They can wait for us to feed her, and then we will get out. So she is sleeping. She is sleeping. Sweet girl. She was not very happy, of course, but she'll take lots of naps today, and we give her some Tylenol. So, what you eating? Spinach and feta. Jacob loves the spinach and feta wrap, and I got a new drink. It's called the Cannonball drink, and they wrote Splash on it. Cannonball. It literally just tastes like the strawberry refresher. But try something new, because I had coffee before we left home, and I got a ham and Swiss baguette. So we're gonna eat that, get gas, and go home. Hello friends, it is the next day, and we are headed to town because we're gonna go to the bank and get Starbucks and get a car wash. So hopefully Daisy will take a nap, maybe. But that's on the agenda for today, this morning. It's 8:40. Starbucks, here we come. Daisy, Daisy. Waking up from a nap. Say stretch, stretch. She's not too amused. But we got back from town, didn't we? Jacob was probably mad at me because the bank took forever, and little Miss Daisy was screaming her head off apparently. But we made it home. She just had a good nap, an hour and a half, and so she's gonna be hungry soon. But I'm gonna try to eat something first, if she'll let me, and then we're gonna go to the gym after you eat. Okay? Go to the gym after I eat and she eats, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Yeah. But we're supposed to be getting a big old snowstorm this weekend, which I'm just now hearing about. Possibly like 8 inches of snow, which I love the snow. I love winter, so I'm excited. But that's what we're doing. Jacob went to go work on 4-wheelers, so me and Daisy are just hanging out, and yeah, finishing my coffee from earlier, and I need to go make some lunch, so. Okay, I'm having a very toddler-like lunch. I'm literally having a peanut butter and jelly. I really like peanut butter and jelly, and it's not very like nutritious, but you know, it is what it is. Say it is what it is. And let's see, I actually just cut up some pineapple yesterday. I bought a pineapple in my last grocery order. So I'll eat some of that. But we love a good old PB&J. And it's fast. And it will be filling for me. And it's a good pre-workout. Pre-workout. Jam. Well, yeah, jam. Because this summer, you'll see that I have a strawberry patch. And I make strawberry jam. And it's the best jam ever. Really. Maybe don't lick your knife, but. And I got this real fat bread from the French toast casserole. Mmm. Say yummo. Yummo. Mm-mm-mm. And this pineapple was pretty good. I let it sit for a couple days because it wasn't very ripe. But it's really good and sweet. Mmm. Really cold, and my teeth are sensitive. Mmm. Mmm. Say yummy, 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 yummy. Gosh. But I really need to do some chores today. Dishwasher. Laundry. I really need to do laundry. Our hamper is full. Say, our hamper is full. Woo! Woo! Woo!
I don't know if I'd call this cooking.
Jacob's making us supper.
She's making dehydrated potatoes.
Shut up. Part of supper. I'm making scalloped potatoes.
Daddy's making steak.
From a box.
I'm not making steak from a box.
Yep, steak from a box.
Nip.
Yep.
Nip. Nip.
Ooh, boiling over.
Take the watch off.
Say, watch out.
Let's go ahead and get this out.
Watch out.
Use all of the paper towels.
Yeah, you are.
We got to deal with this light.
I know, it's pretty bad. Jacob's having a ribeye and I'm having a sirloin fillet. Sirloin fillet. Yeah. Dr. Pepper, baby.
Are you serious?
It's good and nice.
Are you serious?
Yes, I swear.
That and Krusty Krab pizza from SpongeBob?
Do you know what I keep waking up to in the night in my head?
What?
I'm in love with the stripper.
In your sleep?
Yes.
Okay. I feel like if I said the same thing, I'd get in trouble. Another question. Should I cook yours with mine?
Probably not.
Why not?
I don't know. That's probably too much in the air fryer.
Why?
It's gonna make a whole big mess.
Huh?
It's gonna make a whole big mess.
How?
Because it gets the grease splashing everywhere.
Splashing?
Yeah. Sizzling everywhere. What do you think?
Yes.
How about you quit asking me and just cook them?
Well, see, if I don't ask, I get in trouble.
No, you won't. No, you won't. Just do it. Just do it how you would do it if I wasn't here.
I wouldn't. I'd do it outside.
Really?
Probably, because I'd be afraid to get in trouble. You guys know what it's like. We need some fresh pearl.
Yeah. We're air frying steaks. Yep. Daisy said yep.
Watch your mouth.
Do you gotta spray this? No.
I don't think you have to, but I did last time just to be sure.
Yeah. Spray it. Daisy. Daisy May. She's like, I want a steak. I want a steak.
Just gonna
I
put
want a
it
steak.
in here,
Steak.
and then we're gonna season them in here.
Okay.
That video.
Buttery steakhouse seasoning. Kinder. Whoa. Kinder. Like that, baby. There's gonna be some overlap.
That's
Sorry.
okay. I'm not picky.
Okay.
Careful, don't over season them now.
You said just one side.
Yes, that's exactly how much I would have done.
You could use dill pickle seasoning.
No,
We have dill pickle seasoning.
that stuff kind of sucks.
Kinda.
Come here, sister.
And then if you're not local, I guess how local is Dominant One?
I don't know. Marion K Spices is in Brownstown, Indiana.
Very, very good.
But they probably
All-purpose
sell
seasoning.
it. They probably sell it everywhere.
Yeah, I think it's in Walmart.
Jacob likes Dominant 1. And they have Dominant 2.
That has
Garlic.
garlic.
Which I don't like too much garlic. So,
Salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, other natural
I
herbs and
don't
spices,
know what that other one
and
has.
cornstarch for flowing agent. I think it has garlic salt, maybe.
There. Maybe.
I don't know. It has all these things and one extra. So
Oh yeah, look, it's a weird color.
Dominant One.
Yeah. Why does it look pink?
I don't know. Probably has Himalayan salt in it or something.
Pink. What do you cook them on? 400?
Yeah, so the one guy, I've only done it once, and I messed it up. So this is our second try. We're going to risk 4 steaks on it. I did 10 minutes at 400 degrees because that guy did 11 minutes at 400 degrees. So I think this time I might do like 8 minutes at 350 or something.
Okay.
And then I'll just check the temperature.
Okay. I think you should keep it at 400 and then lower your time.
At 8 minutes?
Yeah. Or
For
lower.
400?
Yeah, just keep watching it. Check at 5, check at 8. Or check at 5, 6, 7, and 8. Really?
Okay.
We'll see when we start cooking the steaks. Okay, guys, the steaks are out. And now it's time to see what they look like.
You want me to cut down the middle of yours?
Sure. What they look like on the inside. Hopefully not too rare and not too done.
Not sure. I did not get to check yours. So, I don't look too bad.
Don't look too bad.
Don't look bad at all.
Okay.
I wonder if mine's,
Yours might be well.
mine might be smoked.
But it's not as bad as the last time.
No, definitely not. It's edible. It's edible.
Last time he almost made jerky.
Yeah. Definitely well done to medium well.
Yeah.
But that's the daylight's making that look worse.
Yeah.
Probably better in here. But, oh well. We'll figure it out.
Looking good.
Better than last time.
At least we have supper.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning. Say Daisy. Say it's time for breakfast. Time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. So let's do it. Okay, so we don't have much going on today, but gonna eat breakfast, get dressed, go to the dollar store, What else are we gonna do, Daisy? We're gonna make a cake and cupcakes for our nephew's birthday this weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's Thursday, but they'll keep until we need them for the party. So that's what we're gonna do today. Good morning and happy Friday. Daisy, say happy Friday. It's Friday again. Woohoo! So, we've had not too busy of a morning, but Daisy didn't want to sleep last night very good. So, we got up at about 6 or 7. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. 6 or 7 o'clock, and Jacob helped us get to the couch, and then she slept for a couple more hours. And then Jacob had a chiropractor appointment, so he went to that and brought us Starbucks, of course. So, while he was gone, we have my nephew's birthday party tomorrow, in the midst of a big snowstorm that's coming. So, we'll see how that goes. But I am the designated cake baker and cupcake maker. So, I made his cupcakes and got his cake baked. I'll do the icing and stuff later tonight. We are actually gonna go to Target today, Daisy's first Target outing, with my mom, my aunt, and my sister. So when my mom gets off work, we're gonna do that. And I'm talking to the camera. Jacob's going to put hay in my mom's crawl space.
For the horses.
And that kind of sounds weird. He's going to put hay in my mom's crawl space because she doesn't have a basement, so her pipes are under the house and they could freeze. But he's going to do that, and it's time for Daisy to take a nap, so we're going to try to get her down. But what I was saying is I'll decorate these cakes and cupcakes later, because icing is a whole big event and it takes a while. So we're going to do that later. But when Jacob gets back, Daisy will probably eat again, and then I'm going to leave her with him so I can go to the gym before we go to Target. So that was a long-winded explanation, but that's what we have going on today. So I'll probably take you guys to Target with us because this is her first Target trip and I'm so excited. I want to get her some Valentine's Day pajamas because we're still wearing Christmas ones and we need to get out of those. So, what you say we take a nap, girlfriend? I know you tired. Okay, we'll see you in a while. Say hi. Okay guys, we're back from Target, but I didn't take the camera because that would just be too stressful. So, we're making the cake. And I really don't like making cakes because it's hard. You gotta get all the icing smooth, and that's hard. I like making cupcakes, which we gotta icing those here in a minute too. But that's what me and Daisy are doing. Now try to finish icing this cake, which I hope he don't care what it looks like. He's 2, he's not gonna even remember. Yep, I'm gonna have to let this sit in the fridge probably and let it chill, and then I'll do another coat. So we got that in the fridge. Now we're gonna decorate some cupcakes, which that's pretty simple. So let's do it. What are you fussing for? Here, want this? You're trying to eat it, but you can't eat it, sister. Hey, Daisy. What's the matter? We got a fussing girl. but you can't eat it. You little Dorcas. Daisy May. What's the matter, sweet thing? What's the matter? Hey! We got a crying baby. What's the matter? Tell me about it. Oh, baby. What's wrong? Oh my. Oh my. Okay, I just finished the cake, guys. Daisy's sleeping, so I'm whispering. But here's the finished product. And the cupcakes are just white, and there's these little toppers. And the cake has a topper too. So, now I'm gonna get a shower, and we're gonna relax for the rest of the night. Say hi. Say ooh. Say ooh. Okay guys, we are back from the birthday party. I don't know if I even got on here this morning, but it's Saturday. We went to Barrett's birthday party, and then we came home, cleaned up some stuff. Now I'm making chili, and it's snowing outside. Say it started snowing. Not much, but it's snowing. And it's really cold outside, isn't it? Yeah. So we're making chili, and we're gonna stay inside and say Mom and Daddy's gonna watch a movie later. I don't know what movie, but yeah, that's what we're doing, making chili. Making chili. Say ooh. Ooh. Mm. Daisy. Say hi. You say hi. Say hi. Say good morning, vlog. Say we got our first big snow. Yeah. Yes, we got a bunch of snow through the night. So as you can see, it's real bright outside. I'll show you. We got a lot of snow, and we live in a pretty flat area, so everything is drifting. And yeah, Jacob's going outside to clean off his Jeep and push some snow for my dad's business, because my dad's business is in our backyard, and we have a big parking lot, and so he's gonna start pushing some of it. Yeah, but Daisy and I are staying inside because that's what girls do. Just kidding. But anyways, we're staying inside, and we got stuff to do, don't we? Like put Daisy's laundry away from 3 days ago. I need to clean up her room. I really need to go through her drawers of clothes, which I'm dreading because I don't really have anywhere to put her clothes that don't fit her anymore. So, yeah. Then she's going to be ready for a nap. But I think it's going to be a stay in our pajamas type of day. I need to do some laundry downstairs. But no Starbies today, so we had to do our coffee at home, which I made Jacob coffee too. But now we're gonna get to it, right, sister? And then when she naps, I'm gonna sit my ass down and watch a show on TV. So, what you say? Let's clean up, girl. Lopsided. Maybe it's the table. I don't know. Anyways, put the burp rags up. What? What? Hmm? Okay. New Valentine's Day pajamas.